So, Mr. Bob, are you going to help? I got to offload the car. We got some hay and grain to move. Can you help? Oh, I should get Jenny for the grain, shouldn't I? Well, no, I can put it on top of her. All right, you're going to help. Good boy. Oops. Gotta move that. Come on now. And now we'll go get that. To the person who commented on the necessity of cleaning up this yard, I thank them for their criticism and having the abilities that I have these days and those limitations. I'm pretty proud of where we are. Are you leaving already, Bob? Had enough? I got the hay on. Now for the grain. Once upon a time, I could carry a bale of hay or a bag of grain uphill. Now I can't even wrestle this one on top of this. Working with the limitations of changing abilities gives us more opportunity to problem solve, figure out how can we continue to farm. Hey, Mr. Bob, thanks for your support. I thought I would stop and grab a treat. Chocolate mint. You want some? You don't eat chocolate mint. You don't eat chocolate mint. Oh, but I like it. Tasty stuff, Mr. Bob. All right, we're almost there. Come on now. I absolutely love living on a farm. But physical limitations become challenging. At this point, I'll get this into the barn for now. And later, I'll tackle moving it and feeding them because at this point, my hip is done. And I'm being reminded to give gratitude for being alive and being able to serve these hungry critters another day. Yep. It's a joyous existence living on a farm. Thanks for watching. Mr. Bob appreciates it especially. Don't you, Bob?